So I hear you're thinking about getting property management software, but you don't know what to look for in a good software. There's no need to worry because I'm going to break down why it's important to get software and what features you should be looking for. First, let's talk about why property management software is so important, which is going to tie closely in with the features it provides. So with a great property management software tool, you can collect rent automatically, track and manage all of your property's expenses from one place, manage maintenance requests from beginning to end, even communicating directly with tenants, post listings to major platforms automatically, and complete the entire leasing process online. With features like these, you're talking about hundreds of hours of saved each year. Plus, you can rest easy knowing that you can access everything no matter where you are, as most property management tools allow you to access the app from any computer or smartphone. So you know property management software is important and you know that you want it, but what features should you expect from a good property management software? Well, I'm going to give you a list of the 7 most important features. Let's just hop right into it with our first one, rent collection. By far, the most important feature is the one that does your most important task, collecting rent. Fortunately, many property management software tools do just that with a variety of features like online and automatic payments, late payment reminders, a tenant portal, which I'll touch on in a little bit, which brings together all the tenants' responsibilities to one place, and depending on the tool, sometimes easy access to a rent payment portal through a smartphone app. All that makes it so much easier to track and collect payments for property managers and owners. Plus, it's easier to stay on top of payments for tenants. A next big feature you should look for is accounting. An extension of fundamental business of collecting rent, property accounting is a necessary aspect of property management. Property management software typically offers a large suite of accounting features depending on the tool. For example, DoorLoop's suite of accounting features includes a full chart of accounts, bank reconciliations, vendor payments, robust reporting tools, QuickBooks online integration that takes just a minute to set up, and literally so much more. So whether you're looking for a complete accounting tool that can replace your current software or something that plays nice with QuickBooks, you're covered. The next feature is maintenance management, which is another big one. Many property management software tools give you access to complete maintenance management systems. This often includes the ability to receive maintenance requests straight from tenants via the portal, edit work orders with attachments and notes, assign those orders to vendors, pay out the vendors, and notify vendors of the completed maintenance. Maintenance is often sudden and unexpected and an inconvenience in terms of both time and budget. These features taken together can give you some of that time back and help streamline your entire response to maintenance requests for all of your properties. Next up is a tenant portal and communications. If you've been managing properties for a while, you know that communicating with tenants can take up a lot of time. The back and forth nature of communication times however many tenants you have means even simply messaging your tenants to handle their various concerns or your issues can be a huge time sink that you never get back. Then there's communication. Email, text, messenger, phone, whatever combo you use, they're all generally disconnected. Property management software seeks to fix that problem by centralizing all tenant communications into one convenient dashboard. And if you have a tenant portal, you're definitely going to want an owner portal. One of the most unique issues with managing properties is the fact that you need to juggle both the managing of properties and the managing of the business itself. The owner portal feature seeks to make that a little easier by giving you a special portal within the software where you can go to manage multiple items related to your owners. This typically would include like 2 main things: generating checks for your owners and running reports relevant to information your owners want to see on a regular basis to help keep them happy and informed. So together, you get to keep your owners happy and things are more organized. It's a little bit easier. Another great feature you want to look out for is eLeasing. The leasing process is one of the first that property management software tackled, and for good reason. The more effectively you can screen and onboarding new tenants, the better. Property management software helps with a variety of tasks related to streamlining and simplifying the leasing process. Some of those include receiving applications online, automatically screening tenants using a variety of factors, complete the leases 100% digitally including the signature, and so many more things. eLeasing streamlines the leasing process in several big ways. That not only makes it easier to bring in new tenants and better tenants more effectively, but saves you time throughout the process as well. And the last big feature you're going to want is marketing. Property management software surprisingly can offer several useful marketing related features as well. For example, 2 of the most common are automatic listings, which allows you to automatically put up new listings for vacant units on major platforms, and a fully functional IDX based website. This is an area where each tool could differ very widely, so make sure that you check to see what kind of features a particular software offers first before investing if these are really important to you. Property management software offers a number of invaluable features. Taken together, they can streamline complex systems, optimize what's already working even further, and automate simple, mundane tasks so they're taken off of you and your team's back. All this considered, managing properties today without property management software puts you at a huge disadvantage. So I would suggest doing yourself a favor and seeing what property management software could do for you. If you don't know what software you want, I would suggest trying out DoorLoop. And I can even get you 50% off DoorLoop by clicking the link in the description, or we have a ton of videos on this YouTube channel about other great options and what features that they have and how they could help you. Whether you decide to go with DoorLoop or something else, I just hope that this video helped you know what you should be looking for. And if it did, make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up and hit subscribe for more property management or landlord content. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!